Using sentence stems to support a learning journal. What we are doing at this moment is you can see I have my paper here ready for my learning journal. On the screen, I have sentence stems that are ready to support me so that I can get started with my thinking. I'm using this learning journal in my math class. So let's get started. My learning journal here, I'm doing some writing in my math. I'm going to start with today's date. I'm going to then begin thinking about the lesson. Today I had a lesson that was connected to estimating with meters. I was just introduced to the idea of meters and how meters can be broken up into centimeters and even decimeters. All of that was new to me. So I'm going to start with what I learned today and transition into an example of what I learned. And I share something I do not understand yet. You'll notice that when I write my sentences, they may have the same exact words as the sentence stem, or they may have a slight change, a variation. So here we go. I'm going to put, for my first sentence, I learned to estimate. I'm going to share an example of what I learned next. An example An example of this was when I estimated the height of my teacher was more than 1 meter. I'm going to share now how I do not understand something. I do not understand how to use decimeters. So now I have my learning journal that shows my thinking. I use the sentence stems to help me support the learning journal writing.